Everybody get out on the floor. It can get a little crazy. Gonna kick it the floor. Make a scene, nobody can ignore. Don't knock it till you rock it. We can't take it no more. Bring the lights up, bust the doors down. Dust yourself off, shake it up, shake it up. DJ set it off, take it up a notch. All together now, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up. You gotta change it up. And when you've had enough, shake it up. Bring the lights up, bust the doors down. All together now, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up.
Good morning, CHS.
This set looks amazing.
I'm so excited to be hosting this week's Valentine's episode.
I know, right? Hey Alexa, speaking of Valentines, how do you even get a Valentine?
That's a good question, Maddie. I think Jack, Sadie, and Shane may know, though. Something about a game show?
Well, let's see. Roll the clip.
What's up, Pulse? I'm Jack Howden, and I'm here to unveil a brand new game show with some behind-the-scenes footage. See, today we're looking for a look. Shane. Hey, Shane. Do you need a Valentine? Great, let's go.
Welcome back to the best love game show in L15. Who Wants to Date This? Where we snuff out the difference between hopeless romantic and just plain hopeless. Go. Today, our lucky victim will be asking...
Stupid idiot, I called you to come and fix the cable on my TV. I
Her.
didn't call you
Let's do
to
it.
waste my time.
Okay, first, write a love letter.
Done.
Wait, what? Okay, next. Alrighty, victim. What are we gonna do about all this?
What?
We're gonna have to fix your hair and that outfit and your facial structure and your bone density and your shoe size and your geez, O-negative blood type. You really think she'll be into that? I take this, and I give you a princess.
I'm not so sure about this.
Moving on. Now, Shane, we can't ask anybody to be your Valentine without...
Knowing them in the first place.
No, a flash mob. Now, don't worry. These are highly qualified dancers. They didn't even need that much training. You rejects even think for 1 second that you can pursue dance semi-professionally. You have a rude awakening coming. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, Shane, it's time to get you a Valentine. Places.
Let go of me, dude! Who even let go of me? Who are you?
Shane, don't you have something to say?
No! Who are you?
Are you kidding me, people? That was the worst dance I've ever seen.
Wow, Alexa, that was so awkward.
Yeah, being rejected in front of a flash mob, yikes.
I'm grateful Jack didn't dragged me onto the game show. Who Wants to Date This is crazy.
Yeah, well, awkward rejections aside, now it's time for Mrs. Long to take us through her day.
Ooh, I love Mrs. Long. She's literally the best. Let's see how her day went.
Hey, good morning. It's time to come and do a day in the life with Mrs. Long. Come on in. Onto the computer, get some mood music going. The whole experience, you know, so that we are tapped in. Log in. Good morning.
Did Bruno put my name on his doc? Because I worked with him.
I don't think he submitted it. So that's the first thing we're gonna do this morning, is we're gonna submit it.
I told him to submit it, and he was like, okay. Submit it.
Gosh! We're not submitting our work on Schoology. How are we gonna get credit if we don't submit our work on Schoology? Sucks. Hi, and welcome to the Situation Room, named for the Situation Room in the White House and the Situation Room with Wolf Blitzer, which makes me really date myself, but also for Mike Sorrentino, the Situation, because this is where all the stuff happens in biology. We've got all of this stuff. This is our prep room. This is like the heart of what bio teachers do. This is where Mrs. Ola, Mrs. Simone, and I have all of our stuff. And yeah, some children call it the crevice. Some kids call it the prep room, you know, but this is where you'll find most of us at any given time in bio. It's fun times. So we have a workstation here. It's good times. This is where we do all of our planning and all of our grading and everything. So, and this is where our chem teachers come and say hello when they pick up all of their papers. Okay, so we just set up the lab.
Yay!
Yay! We are ready for the P lab for period 2, period 4, period 6, period 8. Somebody has lab tomorrow, so that's what we've been doing. So we have little
Period
P's.
8.
Period 8. It's period 8 tomorrow. I don't know what day it is. It's fine. Okay, good times. All of our stuff in the charging in the fume hood. So we're ready to go for tomorrow. Theo, do you have a team name? Are you the Vibe Tribe Smooth Operators? Because apparently that's what we're going for. Okay, they just left. Mr. Shine and I, we're repping the goggles. It's beautiful. I guess that's my day. I hope that you enjoyed walking around with me.
What a day. Now, Maddie, I think it's time to share our amazing baking skills with CHS.
Baking skills? Are you sure we can call them skills?
Yeah, I guess you're right. It was a mega fail.
I'm cringing just thinking about those cupcakes.
Just roll the clip.
Good morning, CHS. Today we're going to be making Valentine's Day cupcakes. Woo! No, it's normal. It's like a normal egg. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, we needed 1 cup of oil. I put 1/3.
Just kind of wanted to try.
Hashtag Norris.
Yummy.
Hot, cold.
This is regular.
So bad.
Okay. I did that too.
Oh my!
Wait, I want to try it.
Oh!
Oh my god, they're already puffing up.
Whoa!
Yeah, but like it's raw cake in the middle.
Yeah.
So good. Pink
closer.
icing. The top like doesn't like
Actually, like, they're jiggly, like.
yo. Bro. Huh? Oh.
Wait, maybe the outside ones aren't as bad. Try it out.
Oh wait.
Oh, those ones are good. Those ones are good. Yes. Alright, take them
You
out.
can like see like
Yeah.
well, no, look at that one. You can like see like the egg. That's the Ow.
Go right here. Oh my god. I know. Just take it out.
Oh. Dude, those are not cooked. Like Chinese. Those like we have to throw those out.
It's a cleanup bill.
Oh no.
Hey, y'all, I'm not gonna lie.
If we all get salmonella tomorrow. If we all get salmonella tomorrow.
This is my final cupcake. Okay, cheers. This is mine. Cheers.
Oh, you put sprinkles?
Oh, yes.
No.
Cute. Happy Valentine's Day, friends.
We're doing another sandwich.
Finish our cupcakes. They run a little
Awry.
Turned out all.
yeah. So they tasted good. We wish we did a better job presenting them to you, but we had a really fun time baking.
Yes,
Yeah.
we
So
did.
we'll be back.
Yeah, for St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day cookies. Meet us back here.
Yes. All right.
Bye,
thanks
guys.
for watching. Have a happy Valentine's
Yes,
Day.
happy Valentine's Day.
Now time for question of the week.
Hi guys, welcome back to Question of the Week, Valentine's Day edition. What's your celebrity Valentine?
Drew Starkey. Tom Holland. Timothy Chalamet.
If you could go on a Valentine's date with any celebrity, who would it be?
Ooh, Patrick Dempsey.
If you go on a Valentine's date with any celebrity, who would it be?
Liam Hemsworth.
Who's your celebrity Valentine?
Oh dude. I gotta think about this one. Give me Zendaya.
Who is your celebrity Valentine?
Let's see. Rudy Panko.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Who's your guys' celebrity Valentine?
Yeah, is there an answer? Huh?
I got a girlfriend.
What are your Valentine's Day plans then?
Take her out on a date.
Where are you going?
I don't know, some fancy restaurant.
Who's your guys' celebrity Valentine?
Celebrity Valentine? Sabrina Carpenter.
Ryan Reynolds.
LeBron James.
JP Luganovich.
It's gotta be Patrick Rolke.
Yeah, Matt Terranova.
Who's your celebrity Valentine?
Sydney Sweeney.
Who is your celebrity Valentine?
Drew Starkey.
Wow, people have some crazy celebrity crushes.
That's for sure.
Well, that wraps up this week's episode.
Have a happy Valentine's Day and enjoy your break, CHS.
See you next week.